Okay, you're going to run the program, and then with your drone, just press button 0. You see how route 1 comes up. Now press button 1, and we have just a second light. And you're going to press button 0, and now it says route 2. I'm going to press button 1 again and again. So now I have 2 lights showing. Press button 0. Now I have route 3, and I have the second one met. Now I'm going to press button 1 enough times to show only the third light. Press 0, and I get my crash, and all the objectives are met. So when you're running it, you just have to press button 1 varying amounts of times before you press 0, so that on your display you get several routes showing.